Here we have a 2018 18-plate Ford Focus ST. Now this vehicle does come with 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 18-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the red brake calipers just hiding behind. Now I do have the LED side lights as well as the bonnet vents, black front grille. Now I do also have the Maxton design lowline kit, so you do get the black front splitter and the side skirt extensions. There's a quick look at another superb alloy wheel. Now on the windscreen we do have the sunshade, which is Ford Performance. We have the black window trim and also the privacy glass on the rear. With that rear boot spoiler, it really does make this car stand out. Now we do have dual exit exhaust, flush with the rear bumper and the rear diffuser, and it is an aftermarket exhaust and does sound absolutely incredible. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle. Now if I go to the rear of the car, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now as you can see, we do have full leather throughout, and they are Recaros. You have the ISOFIX points just down there. On the doors you have your electric windows with the integrated Sony speakers. Go to the front. There's a look at the driver's full leather Recaro front seat with the Recaro just stitched in there and the ST stitched in just up there. On the doors you do have your electric windows with your electric power folding mirrors and your integrated premium Sony speakers. Now jumping inside the car, we do have your auto lights just down there. Now I haven't left the vehicle running as it does have an immobiliser and just saves me popping the code in. Now as you can see, this vehicle has done just over 26,690 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter just down there. You also have your volume controls, and also you can pick the phone up and put the phone down just there as well. Now coming to the centre and looking just up here, you do have your boost gauges, satellite navigation screen which is touchscreen. So we do have satellite navigation. Go to audio, we do have DAB radio. Click onto sources, we have AM, FM, DAB, CD and multi Bluetooth audio. We do also have Bluetooth and phone connectivity. More mobile apps, so you have the apps there. Go into settings, we do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto just there as well, and all those different settings there. Now pop it into reverse, you can see the rear reversing camera with the rear parking sensors. Now coming down here, you do have your dual zone climate control, which works exactly how you would expect it to. You do also have 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings it really does make all the difference as they do heat up very, very quickly. Turn those off. You have storage just down there with your USB port, 12-volt connectivity. You can turn traction control on and off, as well as your stop start on and off there as well. 6-speed gears, which goes through all the gears exactly how you would expect them to, with no unwanted crunching. 2 nice sized cup holders just in there. You also have your soft touch leather armrest with storage just underneath as well. And there's a look at the passengers full leather seat again with the ST and the Recaro just stitched in up there as well. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.